Hello, hello, hello to all the precious people all over the world. Welcome back to our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Kids. Today is June 17, 2025 on a 10:44 a.m. And here's another morning activities of our precious fur babies. Here is Rich, my torty girl, doing cuddles. And here's Plain. And here's Frank. And here's a mama cat, Kisses. I'm still watching the comedy movie on TV, Tanging Ina Part 3. The kittens are now sucking milk from another mama cat. And here's Eve. Here's the litter box. One was able to poo on it. I was able to transfer. Here's another pee. I have to clean it up again. And I have prepared chicken boiled egg for the kittens, and I will let them eat so that they will be able to fill their tummies and not rely on the mama cat for milk. Now they're eating their boiled egg. Eat na, GB. Here. You can share there your boiled egg. You cannot eat. I will give you on the table. Here's your egg. You can eat that one. The other one cannot eat as well. Here. That's yours. Later na, Rich. We will prioritize the little ones because they need it. You can already eat cat food. Later na, ha? Later na, little one, later na. Tara ba? Tara, eat that one. Eat that one. Here, eat. No. Nobody is touching your food. This is very feisty when it comes to eating. He doesn't want anyone to accompany her or him eating. Napalagi, oh. Hi, Go Vish. Hi, Fendi. No, do not be so. This is Prada, and this is Lil Webe. Prada, see? You eat your egg. They're eating. Hi. And the big ones are waiting. I'm sorry. There's no enough food. Mom and Dad only bought 2 eggs and have them hard-boiled. Sorry. They're all waiting. Hi. Mama na tawon. Ay, diri lang ka eat. One is roaming around ready. Eat your food na. Are you eat na? Later no asking. Sorry. She's also a foodie. I'm sorry, Rich. Wait for the time where we can buy everything. Just energize so that we will be monetized. Hi. You eat quickly one. Here's some more. Wish. No more. You won't eat anymore. Okay, go down. What's that liquid? You vomit and then you eat it up again? So weird. Yee. You're so bagra. You're so bagra, bebe. You're eating your vomit. Finish? Finish, goldfish? We go down na. We will let Ate Rich eat. Then the mama cat after Ate Rich. Go down na. Finish na. Finish na Ate Rich. Mama cat will eat also. You go there na din. I have to do that just to suffice their want. Eat na din. Eat na din. You eat na. Din. You eat na. Hindi no. Eat na. You don't want to? Kisses will be the one to eat. Kisses, eat na kisses. Well, you're not eating egg. You don't like egg anymore? Huh? Din? Fendi is still eating. Very good, Fendi. Very good. Finish. Oh. So, Mama Din. Eat this one. Eat that one, Mama Din. I'm not going to eat that one. Huh? Why? Now you go down now if you're not going to eat. You let the others eat. Here's plain. Just a little bit taste of it so that the others also can taste. Mana, finish na plain. We let clear again. Clear now. It clear. That's clear. My semi-Siamese black, dark brown cat. The newly adopted. Puno na atong itak-tak. See, eat all of those. Eat na kisses. Finish na, clear. Finish. Still want to eat, Rich? Eat. You share it with Ate Kisses. There it goes. She really is a foodie, and I pity her because her body is so, what you call that, is not that massive. Still lack muscles. That's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Kids. Adding up to our 2,309 subscribers as of June 17, 2025. Oh no, today is Wednesday, June 18, 2025. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. This is Rich, and that is Kisses. Thank you.